Wow, people, welcome to my channel Cooking with Remodread. Yes, I'm back again in the kitchen and today we're gonna make some nice and wonderful brown soup pork with some coconut milk. Yes, people, some nice and wonderful brown soup pork with some coconut milk. So without further ado, let's get into the video and look at this nice and wonderful meal. Yeah, man. Okay, people, start off by washing your pork with some vinegar. Go ahead, add some vinegar to your pork and go ahead and wash it off. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off and I'll be right back. Okay, now let's go ahead and season our pork. Go ahead and add on all of your seasoning to your pork. Get that seasoning all over the pork. Yes, please. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some oxtail seasoning. Yes, some oxtail. Oh, this is good seasoning. Yes, people. That sounds good. Wonderful. Okay, people, go ahead, get it all over this pork. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and add some. I'm just gonna add a little piece of it. I'll break up a little piece of it. And then add it in. I'll smash it up and put it back. A little piece more. Yep, that's good. Go ahead and rub it out. Yes, people, nice and good and wonderful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some Maggi seasoning. This is like the liquid one. Let's get it all over this. Yes, people. Also, some jerk seasoning. If you don't like spice, then you don't have to put no jerk seasoning anyways. But this dirty is in the last time. Okay, let's go ahead, throw them up. Auntie. Yes, people, this is gonna be so good, so amazing. You definitely wanna try this out. One more thing. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some browning. Go ahead, get that browning and pour all over your pork. Do not add too much browning. Okay. Go ahead, roll them up. One thing. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more browning to the pork and then I should be good after that. Okay. Yep. Yes, people. So good. So amazing. You definitely want to try this out. Okay, let's go ahead and add some oil to your pan. Yes, people. And when your eye is out, go ahead and put in your pork. Okay, now go ahead and add in your pork into your pot. Now, stir it up. And then, cover them up. Okay, let's go ahead and check on it now. Yes, people. So good, so amazing. Cover them up, right back. Now get some water in the same bowl that you season your pork in and add it in. So we can cook this pork down. Cover them up back. Okay, now let's see what's going on. Now I'm gonna test how the pork is cooked. Very simple, stick in your fork and kind of just jab it. If you just go through with ease, then you can say yes, it's cooked. This is not cooked yet. So I'm gonna let this cook some more before adding my coconut milk. Okay, let's see what's going on. Go ahead and test if it's cooked. Okay, now let's go ahead. I'm adding my onions and peppers and scallions all into the pot. Stir it up, auntie. Yeah man, people. Also amazing. You definitely need to try this out. No pouring up that. Okay, let's see what's going on. Yes, people. Now I'm going to add in my coconut milk. First, make sure you shake it out before you put it in. Before you add it in. So now, go ahead and cut it. Now let's go ahead and pour it in. So we'll stir it up. And now, cover them up so you can cook down. Okay, let's go ahead and check on it now. So this needs to be cooking some more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more browning to get about the dark color. So it don't be white. Bring it back to that dark color. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, that's enough. Yep, just like this. Now I'm gonna let this cook down and then it should be done. Okay, this should be done now. Oh my god, people, look at this. So good. So amazing. Now let's go ahead and dish this out. Yes, people, this is some nice and wonderful brown stew pork. That's how we do it around here. Until next time, like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. Until next time, I'll catch you in the next one. Yeah, man.